When we look at the night sky, we see stars as symbols of eternity, bright, cold, unchanging. But nothing in the universe lives forever, not even stars. Some die quietly, some die in violent cosmic explosions, and some become the most terrifying objects in existence. Today, we're going to follow the life of a star to its final breath and witness what truly happens when a star dies. How a star is born. Stars begin their lives in giant clouds of gas and dust, called nebulae. Gravity pulls everything inward, tighter, hotter, until the pressure becomes unbearable. And then, ignition. Nuclear fusion lights up the core. A new star is born, but from that moment on, a battle begins. Gravity tries to crush the star. Fusion pushes outward, fighting back. A star lives only as long as it can win this fight. A star's life depends on its mass. Not all stars live the same fate. Their mass decides everything: their brightness, their lifespan, and their death. There are three main types: low-mass stars, small, dim, long-lived; sun-like stars, stable, warm, middle-aged; massive stars, bright, short-lived monsters. And their endings couldn't be more different. The death of a low-mass star. A low-mass star burns its fuel extremely slowly. Billions and billions and billions of years. When it finally runs out of hydrogen, it slowly cools, shrinking into a white dwarf. No explosion, no flash, just a fading ember of what once was. Over trillions of years, that ember becomes a black dwarf, a star that has cooled into complete darkness, a quiet death, a cosmic whisper. The death of a sun-like star. But when a star like our sun begins to die, its ending is far more dramatic. When hydrogen runs low, the core contracts and heats up. The outer layers expand, and the star becomes a red giant, hundreds of times larger. One day, the sun will swell so large it could swallow Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. After this expansion, the star becomes unstable. Its outer layers peel away, drifting into space, forming a breathtaking planetary nebula, a glowing bubble of gas and color. At the center remains a white dwarf, glowing like a cosmic tombstone. This is the fate of our sun. The death of a massive star. But massive stars, they have a completely different destiny. They burn through their fuel violently, living fast and dying young. When they fuse elements heavier than iron, fusion suddenly stops giving energy. The core collapses in milliseconds. And then, boom, a supernova. One of the most powerful explosions in the universe. So bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. So energetic it forges gold, uranium, and the elements that make planets and life. A supernova is both destruction and creation. Two possible aftermaths. 1. Neutron Star. If the star isn't extremely massive, the collapse stops when protons and electrons merge into neutrons. The star becomes a neutron star. A teaspoon of its material weighs 1 billion tons. It spins at hundreds of times per second. It emits deadly beams of radiation, becoming a pulsar. Neutron stars are among the strangest objects in existence. 2. Black hole. But if the star is truly enormous, gravity wins beyond imagination. The core collapses past the point of no return. Space itself bends inward. A black hole is born, a region where time slows to a crawl, light cannot escape, and the laws of physics break down. The star's death becomes the creation of a cosmic abyss. Rare and exotic stellar deaths. Some stars have even stranger endings. Pair instability supernovae. Explosions so huge the star completely disintegrates, leaving nothing behind. Magnetars. Neutron stars with magnetic fields 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. Hypernovae. The most powerful explosions ever observed, linked to gamma-ray bursts. The universe has no shortage of drama. Why stellar death matters. If stars didn't die, you wouldn't exist. Those explosions created the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe, the silicon in your phone, every element heavier than helium. We are literally made of star debris, the ashes of long-dead suns. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember this: stars do die, but in their death, they give life to the universe. If this journey through space inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me for more stories from the universe. Your next cosmic adventure begins soon.